making a mixed mushroom dish, Asian style, and all I need is some mixed mushrooms, so enoki, some field mushrooms, some button mushrooms, some Asian mushrooms, some spring onion, a little bit of the soy sauce, the black sesame oil, and the bean sprouts to top it off to give it a nice little bit of crunch. And this takes 2 or 3 minutes, and you'll see the recipe. Everything will be down in the description below. Okay, in a wok I've put some sesame oil and now some crushed ginger, and I'm going to throw in my shallots, mix them through. Add the soy sauce, and then add all the mushrooms except the enoki mushrooms, because I don't want the enoki mushrooms in there just yet, because they're not going to take long at all. And we mix them through and cook that for around about 4 to 5 minutes at a medium high heat. Okay, I now throw in my sprouts, toss that through, just for another minute or so, and then I'll add my enoki, and then we're ready to serve. Now added my enoki, and these will take about a minute or so to cook, because they're very delicate. You don't want to cook them for more than about a minute, minute and a half. There we have the mushroom with the bean sprouts, Asian style. Bon appetit.